And that one vertical line means there are no curvatures, there are no hindrances, so obviously the energy flows uniformly. And that's what we are looking out over here. Okay? Now, for second thing, first observe me, what you have to do is come down in the kneeling position. Now, in this kneeling position, I'm keeping my hands over here, right? My legs are down, my shoulders are relaxed, I'm straight, face is strain free. Now, what you do when you breathe in for back, come down, breathe out, and pull your stomach completely in. At the same time, tuck your chin also. Again, see what you have to do. Breathe in, breathe out, hold your breath. Again, see. Breathe in, breathe out, hold your breath. Okay? Everybody please come down in the kneeling position. It has to be at the back of your lower leg. Okay? Here. Both the thumbs joined together. That's right. 1 second, everybody stop it together. Wait. Everybody just come down in the kneeling position. You won't be? Okay, you can do one thing. You just come like this, okay? And from here, when you breathe in, you are here. When you breathe out, just come down and pull your stomach in. Okay? You can do it like this. Back. Breathe out. Come down, touch your chin, hold your breath, hold it hard. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 2 more. Breathe in, breathe out, come down, touch your chin, hold it up, hold it tight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. 1 more. Breathe in. Okay. Breathe out. Come down. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can sit down and do belly breathing, or you can stand up and do belly breathing, whatever way you all find it comfortable. Okay? अगर बैठ के comfortable होता है, तो you can sit down and do belly breathing like this. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Body should be straight. And if this is causing pain, you can sit in Sukhasana. Simple. If this is also inconvenient, you can stand up and do it. Whatever is comfortable. Belly breathing, you can do it any pose. Standing, sitting down, lying down, whatever is comfortable. 5 times. Yeah. 5 is it. Yeah, straight. Breathe in and breathe out through mouth. 1, breathe in, breathe out through mouth. 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Now see what is the next thing that we are going to do. Remember this pose or this exercise which we have done it right now, the second position. This is one of the best poses. In case you feel or you feel any congestion in your heart, or you have got any sort of problem in either your respiratory problem or related with your heart. Okay, if you feel like that you have some certain type of bronchitis or any sort of asthma or any sort of cardiac problem, this pose will give you considerable relief in all such problems. Yes. Minor, even for the major one also, if you do it on the regular basis, under the guidance. Okay, if you have been undergone any surgery and all, then you have to be very specific. But even if you're doing something, you have to take it under the proper guidance. But this really, because it opens up your chest, and whenever any exercise in which your chest is open, your lungs, your heart gets the maximum place. So all the constrictions are resolved. Okay? Because their flexibility is enhanced, and that is what we look out. Why do you get the heart attack, constrictions, blockages? So when your heart is continuously getting open, it's like your flexibility is increased, your muscles are getting more strong. So there is no question of blockages. Now see what way you have to do the next one. going to breathe in. Come down. Again, breathe in. Your neck and your legs are up. Rest everything down on the floor. Right? Come on. Everybody lie down. Hands are down on the floor. Only your neck and leg are up. Apart from that, nothing else is up. Okay? Come on. 1 second. First lie down. First everybody lie down. You can come up here. You have got lots of place. Remove the chair. No? You can do. Okay, no problem. Come on. Breathe in. Take your neck and your leg. Take it up as much as possible. Take it up straight. Take it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down. Good. No, hands has to be down. Only your neck and leg are off. Otherwise, everything else is down. Okay? Haath nahi upar. Breathe in if you are in up. And then afterwards, you hold your breath, and when you come down, you are down on the floor completely. Yeah? No, hands are down. Palms are down. Okay? Palms and the whole hands are down on the floor. Come on, breathe in. Take your neck, take your leg. Both up. Hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down. Hands down. Don't take hands off. Okay, take your legs straight. Your face should be straight. If you're doing right thing but your face is on the other side, you don't get the thing. Your face also has to be centralized. Everything in your body occurs in a symmetrical manner. The moment you change the symmetry, the whole reflex action goes haywire. So if you're doing everything right, but your position of your neck is on the other side and the other movement are on the other side, you're doing it wrong. It won't be considered right. Okay, come on. And keep your face absolutely relaxed. You get it. You know, when you're doing this, you're stretching whole your cervical nerves. So obviously you're going to get pressure. Second thing is that whenever you put your leg up, you're working on this core muscles. Okay, so you're working, when you're working on your core muscles, it's going to put you a little bit like, it's strain on your face also. See, the moment you feel kahin pe bhi tightness like a pehla cheez, so the pehla reaction is observed on the face. Come on again, 3 more. Breathe in. Come up. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down. Very good. The movement has to be slow, no jerky movement. Okay, take it slowly, take it down slowly. No, that's okay. आप पूरा मत लीजिए. जितना आपको 30 degree, 40 degree, how much ever is comfortable, you take to that height. For 2 weeks, take it to 60 degree only, and then gradually take it to 90 degree. It's not that as a stretch only you bound, like, you cross 90 degree. Come on, 2 more. Breathe in. Come up. Straight. Come up. Hold it up. Straight. Take your legs up. 2, 3, 4, 5. Come down. Very good. Again, breathe in. Come up. Hold it up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Lie down. Lying down only do belly breathing. Step 1. I understand it. See, whenever you're doing any leg raises, these muscles get affected. So it's bound to initially, if your leg muscles are not strong, it will give you a strain on your stomach. So that's bound. That's natural. Once and twice it will give you. Third day it will not give you any problem. Come on, 5 belly breathing. 5 belly breathing. Breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. Everybody, breathe in through your nose and breathe out through your mouth. When you finish belly breathing, please sit down for a while. Now this particular exercise takes care of most of your digestive problems. Second thing is that if you do this exercise on the regular basis, you find that after a little while, after 30s and 35s, you will start having an increase in your pounds. So that increase in your pounds won't be there. Third and the fourth thing is that it will take care of your excretory and your reproductive system also. So if you seem to be frequently suffering from any of urogenital problems, you would be in a position to tackle that. Right? Now we are going to do the next exercise. See